Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Google Sheets. Open both tools and follow along as I test speed, formulas, collaboration, add-ons, and mobile use. I will show typical workflows, highlight where Excel's advanced tools shine, explain when Sheets wins for teamwork, and give practical tips for converting files and avoiding common pitfalls when moving between platforms. Let's jump into features that matter most for everyday users and analysts. I'll compare pivot tables, data import options, formula compatibility, and automation tools, while showing live examples of sheet syncing and offline access. You'll see which app handles large data, who offers simpler collaboration, and why certain advanced tasks still push users toward Excel. Listen for quick tips to keep your workflows smooth across both apps. Now we'll look at performance and pricing to help you decide based on budget and workload. I'll test responsive speed with thousands of rows, describe storage options, and outline typical licensing differences without jargon. You'll learn which app gives better value for small teams, which is worth the enterprise price, and how to balance cost against features like macros, offline editing, and cloud backups before you commit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.